Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix unable to get iOS 17. So if you are the specific user that doesn't have this iOS 17 softwares on their devices, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix this issue. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first to do so, or to do this, is to go ahead and make sure that we are using a compatible device. Now, as Apple says, the compatible devices of the iOS 17 software is going to be just until the iPhone XS Max or the iPhone XS as well. So if you are using iPhone X or iPhone 8, 7, 6, or the lower iPhones below iPhone X and iPhone X as well, there is no option for you to download the iOS 17 since your device is not optimized and capable to do so as well. So, but if you are using the iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro, or iPhone 11 and above, well, you are going to be a lucky user because you're still going to be inside the compatible devices prompt to use or to download the iOS 17 software. And that's basically it for this video. That is the reason why you are not using or not having the option to download iOS 17. So if you did learn something from this video, I would like you guys to proceed with liking and commenting and subscribing as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one.